Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by understanding index. Index returns a value from a range using a row or column number. Next, learn match. Match finds the position of a lookup value in a range using exact match 0. Combine them for flexible lookups. For example, use equals index, B2, B100 match, E2, A2, A100, 0. That formula returns the value in B2, B100 where A2, A100 matches E2. Practice with small ranges to confirm your results and build confidence. First, select a single column return range like B2, B100 for index. Second, choose the lookup range like A2, A100 for match. Third, use match with 0 for exact matches always. Fourth, lock ranges with $like, 0, 0 to copy formulas safely. Fifth, combine two match calls for two-dimensional lookups using index with row and column numbers. For example, use equals index, C2, F100. Match E2, A2, A100, 0, match F1, C1, F1, 0. Test and adjust as needed. Handle errors using IFER around your index match to return friendly text. Use IFER your formula, not found, to prevent #n/ a disruption. For multiple criteria, create a helper column or use an array match expression. Use match 1, A2, A100 equals E2 asterisk, C2, C100 equals F2, 0 inside index for combined conditions. Remember, index match can look up leftwards unlike VLOOKUP and often performs better on large data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.